Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my vlog. It's me, Miss Pinay. Let's eat some Rams meatballs, meat, Swedish meatballs. Eating. Enjoy. God bless all of us. There's some vlog. It's me, Pinay. So we have Swedish meatball for brunch. So eat, enjoy. God bless all of us. And surprise by Apple for dessert. Thank you. God bless all of us. And soon have a good Wednesday to you all. Thank you. Enjoy it. God bless everyone. Thank you for watching. It's me, this video. Like and subscribe. Shout out to all of you subscribers. Shout out to you all. Thank you. God bless you all. So I'm going to see you again soon. But enjoy. God bless. Like and subscribe. YouTube channel is making this video. Thank you. God bless. Swedish meatballs for lunch. Enjoy. God bless you all. So I'm going to see you again soon. But